Hello and welcome back to my channel. CDS exam is just around the corner. We have only 5 months left. CDS means Combined Defense Services. For candidates who are interested in joining the IMA, OTA, AFA and INA, UPSC conducts this Combined Defense Services exam twice in a year. CDS 1 and CDS 2, one in Feb and another in September, October. There are 3 stages of this exam. First, prelims consist of 3 papers: GK, English and maths. Then there is written paper and finally the interview. These 3 papers have 120 questions and they are of 2 hours each, consisting of 100 marks each. For admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, prelims paper consists of GK, English and maths, while for admission to Officers Training Academy there is only English and general knowledge paper. Age limit is 19 to 25 years. Now let us discuss GK paper of the prelims stage. The GK paper consists of 120 questions. In the last exam, CDS 2022, CDS 2, from physics there were 10 questions, chemistry 11, bio or general science 10. So from where should you study these subjects? Main source should be NCERT, class 10, some chapters from 11 and 12. From history there were 21 questions, geography 20, polity 13, economy 9 questions and then current affairs, defense questions, total 26 questions. For history and geography also, you should rely on NCERT and some specific books. For example, for polity you must read Lakshmikant. From economy also, stick to NCERT 11-12 plus focus on current affairs. Let us solve few questions and let me show you how questions are picked from NCERT. This is question from CDS 2022, CDS 2, held on September 4th, Set A. Which one of the following statements about the Public Accounts Committee PAC of the Parliament is not correct? Now one more important information I want to give you, that before starting your preparation for any exam, you must solve previous year questions because questions do get repeated, and it is also important that you understand the type of questions that are asked from certain chapters or topics, and it can be understood only through previous year questions. This question, Public Accounts Committee, has also been asked in UPSC CSE, means in IS prelims. Options are: it examines the finance accounts of the Government of India. 15 members of the committee are elected by the Lok Sabha from amongst its members. The chairperson of the committee is elected by its members. In case a member of any other committee constituted by the government is elected to the PAC, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha decides whether he should continue to be a member of the former committee. Asking what is not correct. Answer is C. Chairperson is not elected by its member. And since this question was also asked in UPSC IS, so solving previous year question of CSE prelims will also help you. In one of my other videos also I have shown how questions from CSE prelims were asked in CDS 2 and how questions from CDS 1 were asked in UPSC CSE prelims. Vaccine questions were asked in CDS 1 and it was repeated in UPSC CSE, and the question which was asked in UPSC CSE IS prelims, it was repeated in CDS 2 because CDS 2 takes place after IS prelims. Next, which of the following statements about the coasts of India are correct? Directly picked from NCERT, Physical Geography of India. The west coast of India is a high rocky retreating coast. True. The west coast of India is dominated by erosional landforms. The east coast of India, however, is a low sedimentary coast exhibiting depositional forms. Answer is 1, 2 and 3. So for geography and history, do not look for any other source than NCERT. Which one of the following do not influence the ocean currents? Heating by solar energy, wind, gravitational pull by sun and moon, Coriolis force. I am leaving this question for you to answer in the comment section. Let me know what should be the answer. Similar type of question was asked in SSC CPO 2019. The question was same, the options were different. Which one of the following states UTs has the largest area under coral reefs in India? In CDS 2021, the largest area under forest cover was asked. So you see the questions are similar. Options are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep. Answer is C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, which one of the following forms of money supply is considered as the most widely used in Indian monetary system? Directly from NCERT? Answer is M3. M3 includes M1 and M2. You can read about kind of money in the chapter Money Supply. Next, storage of biological tissues such as blood, organs, semen requires low temperature, which is achieved upon the usage of liquid nitrogen, solid carbon dioxide, liquid air, helium. Answer is A, liquid nitrogen, again from NCERT. Next, which was a munzanik in medieval period? Now this is a difficult question because you may or may not find such terms in NCERT alone. Here answer is B, catapult. For such type of questions, the best strategy is to avoid it. Do not try to guess it if you don't know the answer. Another strategy is to eliminate the wrong options if you have the leverage of 2 to 3 questions getting wrong. So read NCERT thoroughly, follow few specific books and revise again and again, plus solve previous year questions with mocks. Even if you don't do mocks, you don't have time to do mocks, do solve previous year questions instead of mocks. It will help you immensely. So this was all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.